Hey everybody and welcome in this video. I'm going to be teaching you how to use Llama with LangChain. So let's just begin. Here as you can see we have an official guide which we can today refer to because we have basically two different steps here. So first one is going to be installing Ollama, and once we have that, of course we're going to be following the official method to install Llama, and then we have LangChain. So I told and made already a few videos on LangChain. If you haven't seen them, make sure to go to the channel and have a look. So once you install both these softwares, you are going to be having the dependencies in place. Let's focus on the code. Basically you can write the code here. So this is basically after the installation process, and once you install them, you're going to be simply bridging between both of these. You can use the API keys, and or you can do it without API keys as well. But if you want to do, I suggest you guys simply head over to your Smith and generate an API key that you can use to simply bridge between both of these softwares. So I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.